Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage e-learning with Blackboard, full guide step by step clearly. To manage e-learning effectively with Blackboard, start by logging into your Blackboard account. Navigate to your course dashboard once you've successfully logged in. Familiarize yourself with the main menu, which includes options like Home, Courses, and Organizations. Select the specific course you want to manage by clicking on its name. Once inside the course, review the course content area. Here, you can access modules, assignments, and resources provided by the instructor. To add course materials, click on the content area in the course menu. Select Build Content to upload files, create folders, or add links. When uploading a file, choose the type of file and drag it to the designated area or select it from your device. For assignments, navigate to the Assignments or Assessments section. Click on Create Assignment to set a title, due date, and instructions for students. Make sure to attach any necessary files or media before saving your changes. To monitor student performance, use the Grade Center found in the course menu. Here, you can view grades, track submissions, and provide feedback. Utilize the Announcements feature to communicate important updates to students. Craft clear and concise messages to keep everyone informed about course changes or deadlines. Consider using the discussion board to encourage student interaction. Create discussion topics that promote engagement and debate among learners. For live sessions, explore the Collaborate feature. Schedule online meetings and share links with your students. To enhance learning, utilize the Content collection for organizing resources. This tool allows you to manage files across multiple courses efficiently. Regularly check the Student Performance Dashboard to assess engagement and activity levels. This dashboard offers insights into how actively students are participating in coursework. Finally, gather feedback using the Surveys feature to improve course delivery in future semesters. By following these steps, you will be equipped to manage your e-learning experience with Blackboard effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.